In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a document management system in Notion 5 minutes. First, sign into Notion in your browser or desktop app so everything you create saves to your workspace. On the sidebar, add a new page and choose a full-page database and table view. Name it something clear like documents so it's easy to find later. A table is perfect because it gives you structured fields, fast search, and flexible views. Next, we'll shape the database with properties that make documents easy to organize and retrieve. Add a select property called file type for things like PDF, contract, SOP, or meeting notes. Create another select called status for stages such as draft, in review, and final. Add a person property called owner so it's clear who's responsible. For freshness, add a date property called last updated, or use the last edited time property if you want it to update automatically. Finally, add related projects as a relation to your project's database. If you don't have one yet, you can set the relation later. These properties are the backbone of your system and will power sorting, filtering, and views. Now implement organization structures. Tags can live in a multi-select property, letting a document belong to multiple categories without duplicating it. If you like a folder feel, group by file type or status right in the table to mimic folders while keeping everything in one place. Add filters to narrow down to exactly what you need, say only final documents for a specific project, and save those filters so you don't rebuild them each time. Create multiple views to suit different workflows. Keep the main table for quick scanning. Add a board view grouped by status to track progress at a glance. A calendar view using last updated helps you see when content was touched. You can also add a gallery or list if visuals or compact lists work better for your team. Each view is just a lens on the same data, so updates appear everywhere. To standardize formatting, build database templates. For example, an SOP template can pre-fill file type, set status to draft, and include a page layout with sections like purpose, steps, and owner sign-off. Templates save time and keep quality consistent. Finally, set sharing carefully. Use the share menu to control who can view, comment, or edit the database and individual document pages. Keep sensitive items restricted and only grant edit access where necessary. That's your streamlined Notion document management system, organized, searchable, and ready to scale.